Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making waves in the tech world, and it's transforming how we work and live. In this video, we will share 10 amazing AI websites that will make your life easier. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover the game-changing solutions these AI websites offer. Chatgpt, AI chatbot website. Chatgpt is definitely the hottest AI website that broke the internet in 2023. Developed by OpenAI, it is a web-based conversational AI chatbot. Chatgpt utilizes state-of-the-art language processing AI models and was trained using vast amounts of information: articles, books, web texts, Wikipedia, and other pieces of writing on the internet. It is capable of understanding and processing natural languages. You can ask questions and Chatgpt will generate human-like responses to your queries. The uses of Chatgpt are virtually limitless. You can use it to do research, develop new ideas, and more. Chatgpt is just like your virtual personal assistant. Photo or background remover, AI instant image background removal website. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually removing backgrounds from photos. You can now get it done automatically with Photo or background remover. All you need to do is upload your photo and wait for the AI website to process it. In just a few seconds, you will have a perfectly cut-out photo with a transparent background. Photo or background remover is not only fast but also provides high-quality results. It ensures that your photos retain their original quality and clarity while removing the background. If you wish, you can further refine the cutout and change the background of the photo. Midjourney, AI image generation website. Midjourney is one of the most popular and powerful artificial intelligence websites for image creation. It lets you generate stunning digital art and images from plain text. Just enter text to describe what you want to, and Midjourney will produce a series of images based on your text prompts. You can use it to generate backgrounds, realistic photographs, paintings, 3D illustrations, logos, and a whole lot more. The possibilities are endless and there is a lot of fun to play with. There are many Midjourney alternatives available in the market that offer similar functionalities. But if you're looking for a reliable and versatile AI image generator that delivers high-quality results, Midjourney is definitely one of the best AI websites to consider. Jasper, AI writing website. Jasper is an AI website that helps you write a variety of copy and content quickly and effortlessly. From blog articles and social media posts to website content and marketing copy, Jasper has got you covered. In addition, it supports creative writing tasks, such as poetry, stories, and lyrics. Jasper is a great writing assistant that helps you write content better and faster. It is particularly beneficial for content writers, freelancers, small business owners, and marketers. Synthesia, AI video creation website. With Synthesia, you no longer have to spend hours on video production or hire expensive video production teams. Powered by artificial intelligence, Synthesia can easily convert any piece of text into a high-quality, compelling video in just a matter of minutes. Moreover, Synthesia enables you to create interactive and engaging videos with virtual human-like presenters. You can choose from a library of AI-generated presenters or create an AI presenter of yourself with your own voice. This feature is especially useful for creating explainer videos, training videos, and product demos. It is very simple and straightforward to use Synthesia. All you need to do is choose a template and AI presenter, input your text, and wait for the magic to happen. Beautiful. AI presentation maker website. Beautiful. AI changes the way you make presentations. All you need to do is input your text, and Beautiful. AI will generate stunning presentations for you automatically. Using Beautiful AI can save you a lot of time and effort since you don't have to edit presentations manually. Furthermore, Beautiful AI offers smart AI features like automatic layout design, smart resizing, content suggestions, and even data analytics. So if you're looking for an AI-powered solution for creating awesome presentations in a short amount of time, Beautiful AI is the perfect tool for you. Notion, AI productivity website. Notion is a powerful cloud-based productivity tool where you can take notes, create to-dos, tasks and schedules, manage projects, and more. What makes Notion apart is its AI-powered features. It uses artificial intelligence to assist you in summarizing notes, improving writing, translating content, brainstorming ideas, and more. Notion represents the next generation of cloud notes. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and improve your productivity, Notion is definitely worth checking out. SoundDraw, AI music generation website. SoundDraw is an online AI music composition tool that allows you to create original and customizable music easily and quickly. Simply choose the mood, the genre, and the length of the music you want, and SoundDraw will automatically generate songs according to your specifications. You don't need any musical skills or knowledge to use SoundDraw. It's designed for everyone from beginners to professional musicians who need high-quality music fast. With SoundDraw, creating the right music for your project is simple and hassle-free. Avatar AI website for creating avatars for social media. Avatar AI uses cutting-edge AI technology to change your photos in cool and creative ways that are sure to impress. Just upload your photo, and you'll get high-quality, realistic AI avatars that look just like you but in various styles and scenarios. You can transform yourself, your friends, or even your pet into desert punk warriors, a zombie at Halloween, an Instagram model, the main character in a video game, to a fashion model. You'll be amazed at the realistic avatars that are generated. Let's Enhance AI image enhancement website. Looking for a way to make your blurry photos clear? Let's Enhance can help. With just one click, you can improve the quality of your photos, making them sharper and clearer in an instant. Moreover, Let's Enhance enables you to upscale photos to a higher resolution without quality loss. It's perfect for photographers, designers, and anyone else who needs high-quality images for their work. These 10 AI websites come with cutting-edge technology and provide solutions for various applications. So, take some time to explore them and see how they can help you improve efficiency and simplify lives. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to dive deeper into the world of AI.